Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Gnan Maji Vidyapit, standard 4th. So, students, today we'll start worksheet today we'll start what have we learned so far. Today we'll learn about the clock. Today we'll learn about the clock. Okay. So, in that, what have we learned so far? Okay. So in that, here you all are seeing that the one clock is there. एक यहाँ पे एक clock है, ठीक है. उसमें लिखा हुआ है when minutes hands is at 12. When minutes hands. Which one is a minutes hands? Blue one arrow is there. Yes, this one is a minutes hands. Which hands is this? Minutes hands. Now, what we read? We read that we read the time इन अ क्लॉक. इसको ये जो 12 के ऊपर होगा, ठीक है, एट दैट टाइम उसको हम क्या रीड करेंगे? 12. दैट मीन्स व्हेन मिनट्स हैंड्स इज एट 12 वी रीड द टाइम ऑफ क्लॉक. हम उसको क्या रीड करेंगे? टाइम ऑफ क्लॉक. नाउ व्हेन द मिनट्स हैंड्स एट 6, व्हेन द मिनट्स हैंड्स एट 6 वी रीड द टाइम इन अ हाफ पास्ट. जब मिनट्स हैंड्स है वो 6 के ऊपर होगा, एट दैट टाइम व्हाट वी रीड अबाउट दैट? मिनट्स रीड द टाइम इन हाफ पास्ट. विच पास्ट इज दिस? हाफ पास्ट. ओके. नाउ हियर व्हाट वी लर्न अबाउट दैट? हियर नाउ हियर व्हाट वी लर्न अबाउट? Minutes hands on the 12 o'clock. 12. So that means 3 o'clock. What we said? 3 o'clock. And minutes hands on 6 in the between 3 and 4th. ठीक है. At that time we'll read about the half past 3. Half past 3. Okay. Now, what if the minutes hands is on the numbers others than 12 or 5? Okay, minutes hands है वो. What is that? What if the minutes hands is on a numbers others than the 12 or 6? 12 और 6 पे नहीं है, but different place पे है. For example, देखो, first one clock is there. In that first clock 1, but the minutes hands on the number 5. 9, but minutes hands on number 2. 8, minutes hands on number 10. 7, minutes hands on number 5. Like that. At 5, 2, 10, at 5. Okay. There is a interesting fact we need to learn first. Okay. What we do at that time, that we'll learn. Now, 12 and 1. 12 and 1 में जो गैपिंग है वो 5 है. क्या है? मिनट्स एंड टेक 5 मिनट्स टू मूव फ्रॉम द अदर नंबर टू नेक्स्ट नंबर. अदर नंबर टू नेक्स्ट नंबर में जाने के लिए मिनट्स एंड से वो कितनी मिनट्स लेती है? 5 मिनट्स. हाउ मेनी मिनट्स आर देयर? 5 मिनट्स. सो 12 एंड 1 में उसको जाना है तो वो कितनी बार ये जो सेकेंड हैंड से वो राउंड लगाएंगे? 5 टाइम्स. सो हियर 12 यहाँ पे गैपिंग है वो कितना है? 5 मिनट्स. ठीक है, गैपिंग है वो क्या है? 5 मिनट्स. नाउ 1 into 5. 1 into 5, 5 minutes. 1 into 5, 5 minutes. 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 minutes. Same. 3 5s are 15 minutes. Like that, rotate is completed. 12 5s are when the minutes hands completes once round. minutes hands का जो once round है वो complete होगा. At that time, one round from the 12 to 12, it's covered 16 minutes. How many minutes it's covered it? 16 minutes. To find out the minutes covered by the minutes and multiply the numbers with 5. So what will get? Here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 16. 55 and 16. Okay. So what we have to do here? यहाँ पे अगर 1 के ऊपर मिनट सेंस होगा दैट मीन्स 5 मिनट्स इज देयर. 2 के ऊपर होगा दैट मीन्स 10 मिनट्स. 3, 15, 4, 25, 25, 6, 30, 7, 35, 8, 40, 9, 45, 10, 50, 11, 55 and 12, 60. 60 that means 1 hour is completed. Okay, to find out the minutes, cover by the minutes and multiply the numbers with 5. Now, what time is it is? अभी देखो minutes hands on the number 1 and the hours hands in the number 2. So what time is it? The time hands is 1 minutes cover 1 into 5 is equal to 5 minutes are there. Is equal to 5 minutes are there. So the minutes hands has the 5 minutes covered by the 1 into 5 is equal to 5 minutes. The time is just 3 hours and 5 minutes. What was the time? 3 hours and 5 minutes. We write 3 2 dash 0 5. We take the hours immediately before the hours hands. Okay. Understood everyone? Now, what time is it? Now, number minutes hands on the 7 number and the hours hands on the between on the 3 and 4th. So at that time the minutes hands is at 7. Minutes cover 7 into 5, 35 minutes. The time is 3 hours and 35 minutes. What was the time is there? 3 hours and 35 minutes. We write it as 3:35. 3:35. What time is it? So in that now we'll check we are correct or not. Okay. The minutes hands on the 11. 11 into 5. 55 minutes are there. And this one is in between the numbers 3 and 4. 3:55 is there. That one will correct it. Okay. The minutes hands is at the 11 minutes. Covered 11 into 5, 55 minutes. The time is 3 hours 55 minutes. So we write it as a 3:55. We write it as a 3:55. What time is it? What time is it? So in that we'll discuss this here. Now see, in the minutes hands on the number 8 and the hours hands is in the between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. In a between 2 and 3. So what time is it is? 8 into 5. 8 5s are 14. 2:45 is there. Let's check it. 2:40 sorry. The minutes hands is at 8 minutes. Cover 8 into 5 is equal to 14 minutes is equal to 14 minutes. The time is 2 hours and 14 minutes. We write it as a 2:40. Okay. Now what time is it? Now in that यहाँ पे देखो क्या है यहाँ पे 3 minutes hands on the number 5 and hours hands on the number 1. So at that time 5 5s are 25. So 25 minutes are there. 125 that is the correct answer. Check it out. The minutes hands is at 5. Minutes cover 5 into 5 is equal to 25. The time is 1 hours and 25 minutes. We write 125. Got it everyone? So how to read the time? So let's practice it. Okay students. So for more practice, today we'll start worksheet number 19. Recap reading time. So in that write the correct time. Okay. So how we read this? See. On the minutes hands on the number 5, right? And the hours hands in between 7 and 8. So here we have to write 7:25. 7 hours and 25 minutes. 7 hours and 25 minutes. Then here on the minutes hands on the number, minutes hands on number 4, 4 5s are 20 and the hours hands on 7. So here we have to write 720. What we have to write here? 720. What we have to write here? 720. Now next one, on the minutes hands in the between 8 and 7, that means 7 hours. That one is a confirm here, 7 hours. And then in the hours hands on the number 10, hours hands on the number 10. So 10 5s are 15. So here we have to write 50 15, 50 15, 7 15. This one is a correct answer, 7 15. Okay, then minutes hands on the 7 and 8 in between. So here we have to write 7 and the hours hands on the number 7. So 7 5s are 35. So here answer is 735. Answer is 735. Got it everyone? Now look at this and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start. Plot the correct time. Okay. Second question. Plot the correct time. So in that 7 o'clock, here is a 7 o'clock. So what we have to do? We have to put in the hours hands on 7. Okay. Hours hands on 7 and the minutes hands on here. Minutes hands on 12. Minutes hands on 12. So this called 7 o'clock. This called 7 o'clock. Now next one is a 7 5. So here hour signs. And here we have to write minutes hands. Here we have to write minutes hands. 7 5. This one is a correct answer. Now next one. 7:14 is there, right? Correct. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to write here minutes hands, hours hands on the 7 number, and then here 7, 8 5s are 14, 7, 45, 7:14. 7:10 is there. Put the hours hands, and here 2 5s are 10, 7:10. Okay. So now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. Okay students, so what was your homework is there? You have to complete the worksheet number 19. Okay, today we'll learn about the worksheet number 19. So your homework is you have to learn worksheet number 19, write the worksheet number 19, and before 3 o'clock you have to submit in a WhatsApp group. You must be submit in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day.